Hey friends! Today we're going to draw a super cute bee that's full of colors and sparkles. Grab your pen and let's get started.
Glitty art! English!
First, I draw a big circle. This will be the bee's body. Next, I draw 4 beautiful wings, 2 on each side. Bees have 2 pairs of wings. They flap them so fast, about 200 times per second, that it creates their buzzing sound. Now, I draw 2 little antennae on top of the bee's head. I draw 2 big round eyes and a small smiling mouth. Then, I add some stripes across the body. Now it's time to start coloring. First, I color the eye lenses a glittery black. Then I color the outside part of the eyes a glittery gray. Next, I color the antennae and the top of the head with a bright glittery red. Bees use their antennae to smell and feel things around them. Pretty cool, right? Now, I move to the body. I color the second stripe glittery orange. The third stripe is also glittery yellow. Then, I color the fourth stripe a glittery green. Bees have 5 eyes in total, 2 big ones on the sides and 3 tiny ones on top of their head. Finally, the last stripe at the bottom is glittery sky blue. Now it's time to color the wings. For the top 2 wings, I use a glittery purple. Fun fact. Bees' wings are transparent, but they sometimes shine with little rainbow colors when the sunlight hits them. Finally, I color the bottom 2 wings a glittery pink. Did you know? A bee's wings are super strong. Even though they look thin and delicate, their wings allow them to fly up to 15 miles per hour. And there we go! Our colorful, sparkling bee is all done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye.